Hi, good morning. I'm Brandon Wainwright, the co-director of the Children's Brain Cancer Centre here at the University of Queensland Fraser Institute and partnered with the Queensland Children's Hospital. Brain cancer kills more Australian kids than any other disease. And since the development of what's now the standard therapy of some combination of surgery, chemotherapy and radiation therapy over 35 years ago, we have not been able to improve survival significantly. So we have thought that over the last few years that the best way to make headway into treating this disease is to combine the standard therapy with our understanding of immunology. Most people will be familiar with the vaccination strategy to prevent disease, and in particular, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the development of mRNA technology was used to great effect to prevent us from becoming infected with COVID-19. That same strategy can be used with some small changes to not prevent cancer, but to treat it. And recently, in other fields, in other cancer fields, such as pancreatic cancer, we've seen very promising results that have suggested that an mRNA vaccination strategy based on the personal genetic changes that each person's tumour has can be successful in fighting these diseases. So we have established an effort here at the Children's Brain Cancer Centre developing mRNA vaccines to treat children with brain cancer, and we hope to open a clinical trial next year. However, the opening of that clinical trial is not the beginning of the end. It's the beginning of the beginning. At the same time, we know that we'll need to improve on current technologies, and we'll need to improve the vaccination strategies and to make them more effective. So our project, which has been submitted to the TourdeCure, uses molecules known as cytokines in combination with messenger RNA vaccines in model systems of children with brain cancer to try to improve the anti-tumour effects of mRNA vaccines. And since we will have established a clinical trial, a national clinical trial, any of the results that are positive from our laboratory experiments looking at these cytokines, and in particular one called IL-27, will be able to be translated directly into clinical trials to improve the survival of children with brain cancer. Thank you.